What is that?
This is how much fluid pressure you actually have on the system when you're running. It should be about 15 pounds, whatever your air pressure is. You'll probably run between 40 and 60. It's kind of a rule of thumb. You start having to run up here for some reason, like you need more output or something like that. Typically, when you're in extremes, change the tip. If you're running up here because you want more output, go to a bigger tip. I've given you the tip I think will work for what you're going for, but just let me know.
Okay.
Also, I've given you 21 thousandths Orphis Joko tip, which is about average.
Okay.
I usually go with a wider fan, but your parts aren't that wide, so I give you a 40-degree fan.
Okay.
And I think that'll fit you, but just let me know.
Yeah.
If you want something different.
Like 12 by 20 by 12 by 12. It's not that big.
Right. That's the thing. So I didn't think a big old wide fan would work for you. This is going to be your fluid pressure and your catalyst pressure. The catalyst is going to run between 50 and 100 pounds. Automatic. Nothing you can do to change it. It's controlled by a spring. It's not adjustable. It's controlled by the spring right here.
Okay.
It's an artificial pressure we create just to make the catalyst come out evenly. You don't have any back pressure at all. Every time the pump changes direction, it'll dump, it'll dump, it'll dump. You got to do something to restrict it. MVP puts an actual restriction in there by closing the orifice down. Problem is, if you get any pressure, you close the orifice down. So we just use the spring at the same time, and I'll show you what that turns out there.
Okay. Does that have a screen in it?
No, I don't. It's just food.
So does this pump on one stroke or two strokes?
Two strokes.
Okay.
Two strokes.
That would keep it from blinking.
Yes. That and this accumulator is there just to help dampen any surges. Now this is controlled by these little things. In the past 3 or 4 years, I've had 10 of these things go bad for God knows what reason. We don't make them. But what happens, your pump will go to the top, and it'll stop.
Yeah.
And it won't go anywhere. These are adjustable for position, but for some reason they won't let out air. And I don't know what, some factory fault thing happens every now and then, but it's so irregular that...
So if my pump stops and air is on,
you'll call me. And
Yep.
I'll have you run through a couple of things, like, all right, push this, unhook this hose, and tell me what it's doing. Are you getting air coming out of here? Because the way it works, this is what shifts the system. This valve right here is going back and forth. Redirects the air from the top to the bottom of the cylinder. Well, what shifts that are these little balls.
gotcha. All these hoses connected the same way? Do the little push?
Yes, they are. Yes, they are. I like those things. That's pretty neat. Up to like 300 pounds and they're reliable and they're working. Makes kind of a clean setup.
Sure.
But, if you want to call me, sometimes when we ship these things, these get bumped around.